Thursday video, and it's Thursday the 24th of January. Excuse my voice, it's suffering a bit from the English weather I think, but now back in Spain. Right, so gold is seeing this quite substantial triangle, and now we're broken to the downside, not the upside. I feel it has to be a fourth wave, so this is wave 2, maybe wave 3 is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there's still one more leg due up, a fifth wave rally. It takes about 1300, which would probably be rejected, not necessarily immediately, but that would confirm that we're seeing a fifth wave up following the 1-2 waves earlier, which we've discussed exhaustively. So look at the form of this in a bit more detail. Right, the only issue is that this is the A wave here, this is the B wave, triangular B wave. This move here, as I discussed the other day, 1300 down to 76, about $24. So we're looking at around a low where A equals C around here. So the count may be A on 1, 2, 3, 4, then a fifth wave down to there, which would fit the bill quite well. So I've been watching around the 170 level carefully to see what's going on. A breakdown wouldn't actually negate the corrective nature of this. I mean, it's a very corrective looking form. So we've got this triangle. It's not, certainly isn't impulsive. Nevertheless, I mean, obviously we can never be sure with market action, but right now the 1270 level looks like a good bet for some kind of reversal. Have to see what happens when that occurs. Looking at the DAX, the big debate is whether or not this is a corrective rally or not. Right now it can be counted either way, so we've got a possible 1 here, 2 to there, 5 part 3 to around there, an expanding triangle 4, and then a fifth. That would be 5 waves up. The only caveat is that this could be an A to here, and this could be a B here. But you count this as a fifth wave. We've got a possible A wave decline, possible B wave rally, so one more leg down, support around here would neaten the pattern up. Yes, we have seen 5 waves up, but it could be an A wave, so a C wave would still be due once we saw the market fall back a bit. Now FTSE is similar. We have the low there, possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C. So possible flat correction down to there, but again a bit more downside just to take the fee a bit lower would be okay. Set the scene for perhaps another rally, which again could be a C wave, but the 5 waves here are fairly clear, although this little blip here for wave 4 is a bit subnormal. The Dow's not so clear really. 5 waves up to there, 1, ABC 2. It could be what, a 1, 2, 3, 4 with a fifth wave due to complete 3. And I guess this could be a 4, and this could be a 5, and again this could be the correction that we're the wave 2 correction with perhaps a bit more downside to come to complete that. Alright, Bitcoin, where we're still waiting really. We've got 5 waves up to there, we discussed that. We've got an A, a B, and I think a 5 part C here with a 1, 2, 5 waves to there is a 3, ABC 4, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C. Bit of a spike there, which is always encouraging. So it all depends on this little blip here really. Let's have a look at a bit more detail. Same old really. This is pretty impulsive, no clear 5 waves, but it's a nice strong rally. This is very dithery, maybe an A to there, B to there, ABC down to here, but we're just going sideways again really. I mean, okay, there's a possible 5 here, I don't quite know. So there's an ABC that, 1, 2, so there's a blip there which could be a 4, 5, ABC down to here, but I mean this isn't really up a third wave, not the kind of third wave we want to see particularly. We're having great trouble just getting back above here really. The good news, the news on the sort of major things like the ETF is not good. It's been withdrawn for the time being. The news on BAC is not good because that's also been postponed for a while. But the infrastructure continues to be very positive, and I think the switch will come when news like this, which is not actually that negative, the fact that the ETF has been postponed for a while is not that big a deal really in the scheme of things. and the change will come when that kind of news is treated a bit more positively. At the moment, we've got a $20 rally here, which is not really the stuff of legend. So, still positives, but still unresolved. That's all today. If that was useful, back to the report on the weekend. Have a great day. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.